Hello everyone, welcome to Think Academy. Today we are going to explore some questions from KMC. Let's see, our topic for today is addition and subtraction number puzzles. And let's see how to solve these puzzles by using our wisdom. Here, the first question. Alice subtracted two two-digit numbers. Then she painted two boxes. Now we are going to find what is the sum of the two digits in the painted boxes. Let's find the two painted boxes first. They are in a subtraction. They are in an expression, but it's a horizontal expression. So let's put them in a column subtraction. It's easier to find the relationship. So a square before 3 minus 20 something equals 25. So let's see. Normally when we are do column subtraction, we calculate from ones place. So 3 minus what equals 5? 3 is less than 5. So that means there must be borrowing. Okay, so let's borrow one from tens place to make 3 into 13. Now it can work. 13 minus what equals 5? That should be 8. And for tens place, we borrow one. So what minus 1 first and minus 2 next? It will become 2 finally. At first it should be 5 here. The two numbers are 5 and 8, so the sum of them should be 13. That is D. Okay, so here in this question, we need to know the point is when you see a smaller number minus a bigger number equals a bigger number, that means there must be borrowing here. Okay, next one. John does a calculation using the digits A, B, C, and D. Which digit is represented by D? Oh my god, in this column addition, there are only letters. But luckily, at least we know the same letter stands for the same number. So let's see if we add the three digits together, what is the biggest sum we can get? 999 is the biggest three-digit number. And 999 added together, we can get 1998. So that means the thousandth place can only be 1 here. And so our D should be 1, and we know the answer should be 1111 here. Now let's see if three digits added together, we get a 4-digit number. That means in hundreds place, there must be 1 carrying over at thousands place. A plus C equals something over 10, or perhaps there will be 1 carrying, so it will be over 10. Let's see, C plus A equals 1, or something and 1 made of a number. Let's see, can C and A be 1 or 0? Never. Why not? Because A and C should also be hundreds place. It's the first digit in the three-digit number. It can never be 0. So this choice can't work. Let's erase it. That means C plus A must be 11. So 11 here. And now we must carry 1 above B. So we are going to find 1 plus 2B plus 1. Can B plus B over 10 again? Let's see. If 1 plus B equals 1, so there are only 2 choices. They are equal to 1 just, or they are equal to 11. Can it be 11? If it is be 11, we must carry 1 over A and C. But A and C has already been 11, so we can't have carrying over here. So that means B plus B must be equal to 0, and B is represented by 0 here. Now, no matter A and C is what, at least we know B is 0. That's for this question. Okay, here we can start from the biggest possible sum and to solve the question step by step. Now, let's continue. This question. Wow, we are going to put each of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the squares to make the addition correct. Which digit will be in the gray square? Let's see. Here is a gray square. Let's see. Here there are two digits numbers, two digits numbers, and the sum should be a 3-digit number. That means in tens place there must be carrying over. And let's see. Every square can be marked with a 1-digit number, and the biggest choice here that can only be 11. So in hundreds place it can only be 1. Now let's see. Here in tens place we have how many combinations? If it has a carrying over, it can be 3 plus 6 because it's already 9. If we have one more carrying over in tens place, it can work. Or it can be 3 plus 5. It can also be 3 plus 6 or 5 plus 6. So we have 4 choices to check. Let's start the first one. 3 and 6 in tens place. That means we must have ones place. The sum of ones place must be over 10. Can it work or not? With the left in the left 4 numbers, the two biggest one is 4 and 5, but it can only get 9 here, so it can't work. And also the same reason to 4 and 5. If I put 4 and 5 here, so that means the remaining two biggest numbers is 3 plus 9. It cannot over 10, so it can't work for the first two choices. How about the third one, 4 and 6? If I put 4 and 6 here, so we will have 1 carrying over, and we still have 2, 3, 5 left. That means what plus what equals the green one? It can only be 2 plus 3 equals 5. No matter you put a 2 over 3 or 3 over 2, the gray square must be 5 here. And let's check the last choice can work or not. If I put 5 and 6 in tens place, they will be equal to 11. But we can only use every number once, so it can't work either. So the gray square should be represented by 5. Okay, that's how we solve this question. Let's start with the hundreds place because we don't have hundreds place above this line. That means there must be carrying over, there must be regrouping. That's the breaking point for such questions. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. See you next time. Bye!